A half cup of jicama rice has about 8 grams of carbs. As opposed to traditional white rice, a half cup is 23 grams of carbs. So I started out by peeling the jicama, then I cut it into sections. Jicama has the consistency somewhere between a potato and an apple, and it has a slightly sweet, nutty flavor. You'll see I use my shredding wheel on my food processor to do the first cuts on the chunks of jicama. Then I shake it out onto the cutting board and use a big knife, and I go through chopping the shreds into smaller pieces that look a lot like long grain basmati rice. You can chop it until you feel you've got that right texture. This is the most important step. Using a clean dish towel, squeeze as much of the moisture out of the jicama as possible. Try not to use a towel with a terry cloth texture because the jicama will get stuck to it. A smooth, clean cloth. And you can see how taking that water out really fluffs up this mock rice texture. Then topping it with the meal of your choice. Tonight we had Thai basil beef, and it was great. Thanks for watching.